Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. So you want to calculate the percentage of a total in Google Sheets. For example, we have monthly sales, and we want to know what percentage of total sales happened in January. Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Basic percentage of total formula. Let's say column A equals month. Column B equals sales. To calculate January's percentage of total sales, click in cell C2 and use this formula. I'll include it in the description so you can copy it. Press Enter. Now you might see something like 0.12. That is actually 12%. It just doesn't look like it yet. Step 2. Format as percentage. To fix that, click the Format as Percent button in the toolbar. Now it shows as 12%. If you don't want decimal places, just click the Decrease Decimal Places button until it looks clean. Step 3. The common mistake. Now let's copy this formula down. But here's where people run into trouble. Sometimes instead of using, they use something like, at first it works, but when you copy and paste it down, the range changes. So when you get to October, it might say 100%. Why? Because the formula has shifted to something like, so it's dividing the value by itself. That's why you're seeing 100%. Step 4. Fix it with absolute references. Here's how to fix it. Use this formula instead. I'll include this one in the description too. Notice the dollar signs. The dollar signs lock the row numbers. That means when you copy the formula down, the total range stays the same. Now when we drag it down to October, instead of 100%, we get the correct value. Maybe something like 5%. And that's exactly what we want. Why this works? Dollar signs create absolute references. B2 changes when copied. $2 locks the 2. $2 to $11 keeps the total fixed. So your denominator never shifts. That's the key. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share practical tips, smart formulas, and simple fixes that save you hours. And I'll see you in the next one.